how to use regionalization radio settings on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the music button right here. And as you can see, if you set up the radio, now you can tap the settings. And from list of settings, you can tap the radio settings. So here the first option is regionalization radio settings. So when using the radio, some network stations switch to local regional programming at certain times of the day. Turning regionalization on forces the tuner to stick strictly to your current regional broadcast program, preventing the radio from automatically returning to a different region's variation of the same station network as you drive near borders. So you have to decide either you would like to use this feature or no. In my case, let me keep this enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.